How to change language on Netflix. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to change the language on Netflix. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, of course, what you need to do is open up the Netflix app. Once you're in here, you can see that the default language for all of the menus is in English. So if you're from another country and you would prefer to show the language in your own language, then I'm going to show you how to do it. So first thing you do is you tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, then tap on Manage Profiles. Now keep in mind that each profile can have their own default language, so you can do this for each profile for however many profiles that you have set up on Netflix. So I'm just going to tap on the edit button on this top left hand corner profile. Now here you'll see there's an option for display language. It says change the language of the text you see on Netflix across all devices. So tap on that button and next scroll down to whatever language you would like to change it to. So for example, if you're from a Spanish speaking country and you want to change it to Spanish, tap on Spanish and next it will say app restart required. And to view the changes, the app needs to restart. Any other changes you've made will be saved. So if I want to change to that language, all I have to do is tap on Restart App. The app will close down, open back up, and once you're back into it, you'll see that the language has been changed to the one that you've chosen. And that's all it takes to change the language on Netflix. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.